All right, quiz time. Which animal do you think has the strongest bite in the animal kingdom? Is it the mighty lion, the fearsome crocodile, or maybe the powerful hippopotamus? Take a second to think. Got your answer? If you guessed the saltwater crocodile, you're absolutely right. With a bite force of over 3,700 pounds per square inch, it's the undisputed champion. Now tell me, did you get it right? Comment your guess and challenge your friends. Let's see who's got the wildest brain out there. Drop your answer in the comments and tag someone who needs to get this right.